preparing for the 1Z0-1083-26 exam question doesn't have to be stressful. At the Certs Lab, you'll find carefully prepared 1Z0-1083-26 exam question materials designed to help you understand the exam format, strengthen your knowledge, and build confidence before test day. Whether you're aiming to earn the Oracle Narrative Reporting certification, our up-to-date practice questions and study resources can help you focus on the topics that matter most. Study at your own pace, identify your weak areas, and improve your readiness with realistic exam-style questions. Thousands of candidates trust the Certs Lab for reliable exam preparation. Start practicing today with 1Z0-1083-26 exam question and take a confident step toward passing your Oracle Narrative Reporting certification exam on your first attempt. Visit the Certs Lab